Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. Hello, lovely viewers. This is your girl Eveee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients, and you know it. So today I am super excited because we are celebrating World Jollof Day tomorrow. Hence, I am bringing you this beautiful Ghana Beef Jollof rice recipe. Okay, so if you want to celebrate with me, then let's get cooking. Yeah, so over here I have my beef. So you can see I've added my mise en place, some seasoning and some salt. So I'm stirring, and then I'll add a little water to it and then cover it for it to cook for like about 15 to 20 minutes because I am using my pressure cooker. So now that my meat is ready, I'm going to fry it until it's golden brown. I don't want it too hot, so just golden brown and I am fine with it. Now our beef is ready. So these are my other ingredients I'll be using. I'll be listing in the description box so you check it out. So I have some 3 cups of long green rice, some tomato puree, my blended garlic, ginger, shallots, onion, adobo and some curry powder, and then some powdered pepper. So with the same oil I used to fry my beef, I am cooking my jollof rice stew with it. So I add my mise en place to it. I know this oil is filled with flavor. So I add my powdered pepper. And friends and family, you know my jollof rice recipe is very simple, quick and sweet. So at this point I add my tomato puree and then stir and make sure it is well cooked. Stew no being yesenebeya and kawsing. So I add my seasoning and curry powder to it. You can also choose to add some jollof rice seasoning. Of course I added to it, but then I couldn't capture it. But if you watch my previous jollof rice recipes, you see my jollof rice. So my stew is ready. So I add my rice to it and then stir. So when you want your jollof rice to be sweet, after adding the rice to it, stirring and then just cover it a bit for it to cook like about 5 to 6 minutes over here. And then now I'm adding the broth from my beef and then some water. Yeah. So depending on the type of rice you are using, you should know the amount of water you add to your jollof rice. So I'm going to cover this, but then I'll add some salt to taste. Just a little, because remember our beef broth has some salt in it. So I'll just cover and allow it to cook on a low to medium heat for about 10 minutes. And then here we are. So after 10 minutes, I'll cover it up with foil. And always remember, jollof rice doesn't need lots of heat or fire. Just lower it a bit, cover it, and then the residual heat from the jollof rice will cook it so that you get your perfect jollof rice like this one. The papa. Now when we send your back no. Yes. Tasty and fresh, jollof's very own. Medakra jollof rice. So at this point, my jollof rice is well cooked, so I'm going to add my beef to it. So you stir it gently, and then you cover it to cook for extra 5 minutes, just for the beef to release its juice and flavor into our jollof rice. Eish! World Jollof the Ebeye de Papa de Ankasa. As you can see, my jollof rice is ready, so I am serving the family. And I can't enjoy my jollof rice without some veggies for garnishing. So I added some sauteed veggies, and friends and family, I hope you are loving this and you love it. Thank you so much for how far we have come. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Kindly click on the notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified. Okay, so I am helping myself with some salad, and I know you also want to. All right, so thank you. See you in our next video. Bye bye.